How to create an account on Snapchat. So the first thing you have to do is to install this app on your device, either through the Play Store or the App Store, depend on the device you want to use. So here I want to use App Store and tap on Snapchat. Now make sure that you install this app on your device, then open it. Once you open it, it comes out like this. You can see that it says continue with Google, continue with Apple, log in and sign up. So let's tap on sign up. Now it comes out like this, as you need to allow notification, tap on allow button, then tap on allow. Provide your name, your first name. Let me provide my first name. And the second name or the last name is optional. Then tap on agree to terms and condition. Then provide your birthday. So let me provide my birthday here. Tap on continue. Now here is your username. You can change your username by tapping on this change button. Now it gives me some option here. Let me pick from this one. Now tap on continue again. Then you need to create a password. Provide your password here. Then tap on continue. Once you provided your password, now would you like to save your password? If you wish, that has to do with you. Then save private key. I don't want to do that. Now it comes out like this. Then you need to use this one. So I want to use my Face ID. Tap on add passkey, then tap on add passkey, then use your Face ID to unlock this. Then that has been added. Then to provide your country will automatically come up, or your country will come up here. Provide your phone number, tap on finish. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone number, then tap on it. 161202 161202. That will be done. Then we have to find all your friends. Tap on continue. If you wish, then let me tap on continue. Then you can see you can select from contact here, then share with contact. Then I don't think that is necessary, but let me say select contact myself. Let me pick one of my friend here, my dots, I think this guy. Then tap on continue. Then not now, just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now you can see that here are some of my friends that are on this platform. You can see them. Then tap on continue. Let me tap on continue. Then create your emoji. Tap, or you can tap on this and skip all this. Now Snapchat would like to access your camera. So now we've created our Snapchat account. That's the same process, guys, on how to sign up for Snapchat on your iPhone. So if you enjoy what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.